Today, we talk about...
Yo, what it do, cut? Hey, I'm son, dude. We here. So let me give y'all a quick tour. But bop, one window. Hey yo, what it do? Got him. Woo! Don't look down. So here's everything so far. Oh, what a mess it was to move in here. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Here's the second window. More views from the 6, and then the main views from the 6. Bop. And bop. Boom. Times Square right there. Hey yo. Manhattan. Hey yo. Got the chair in here. Old laptop. Gotta figure out what to do with that. All the laundry that needs to be done. I don't know who left this open. Apparently I have to replace those filters. This is probably going to be my main bedroom, which I'll have to figure out what to do with. Still trying to figure out if I should put a bed here or here, because I would like to wake up next to the thing, but maybe I could just put like a piece of furniture there. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. Dining room table, I'm thinking here, / podcast table, overlooking the center. And then obviously couch will go where all this is, and then entertainment system, everything going on over here. Had the Best Buy guys come by and make assessments for everything, so we'll see how that goes. All this needs to be organized somehow. That's going to be fun. Got some got some Amazon packages. A ton of them are already in the dumpster. Well, got some laundry detergent, figured I'd need that. Got some of these, got these, but apparently they need their own little thing, so I'll have to figure that out. Priorities, am I right? And then I got a whole dish set. Had to go with the red for the favorite color. I think they look pretty swell with that little trim on there. Pretty cool. Let's see, tuna, a must, right? Right. And then, yeah, more shoes. Washer, dryer behind that wall, and then the fridge and the freezer. The fridge is fairly big. Put my hot sauce in there. It was the first thing to arrive here. Had to do it to them. And we'll see how these go. These don't taste that bad, but Amazon has pretty poor selection as far as that goes. And I believe this is more closet space. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with all these shelves and everything, and then one bathroom, put a towel in here, got some soap in there, got a little plunger I bought, day, nice little shower action. I should get like a shower speaker or something. My bathroom with the doubles, and that ayo, and then the shower here. I have to get like a shower caddy, some shower mirrors, set up some towels in here. And then where I've been sleeping, this has been extremely uncomfortable. And then here's the other diffuser blinds. Less of a view, but still pretty dish. This is probably going to be the shoe gallery. So, yeah, but my bed doesn't arrive until Monday, unfortunately, which is really very much a bun. And then here we have the closet. I'm gonna have to figure out shelving here. Maybe set up like a Transformers display there. And then same thing here. But bomb. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I got a shower. I gotta start organizing this entire space so I can actually start living in it. And yeah, I got a lot of other videos planned, but it's gonna be a while, so I figured I'd at least bust out this quick and easy, dirty one, and catch y'all on the flippity flop. Bye, more coming. Peace.